Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about second part of central tendency, which is median. So how to find out the median from a data set? From a given data set, we can find out median by two methods. So median is actually middle value of a data set. So first of all, we should to arrange the data set in ascending order or descending order. After that, we will know the dataset is even number or odd number. For this, we have two examples. One is odd number and the second one is even number. And these two dataset how to find out the median value of a data set. So median value of odd number. If you look to the table, so there is the red 6 number above and the red 6 number below. So the middle number is 12. So here 12 is the middle or middle number that has 6 value above it and 6 value below it. So if we have even number of data set like 2, 4 even number, and how to find out the middle value. So if you look into the data set, the 6 value above and red circle and the 6 value below. So the middle values are 29 and 27. For that, we can find out the middle values that obtain are 27 and 26. So first of all, we would add these two numbers and then divide by 2. Now these two values we have retrieved from dataset that are middle value and even dataset. Okay, so for this we are adding that middle values from a dataset divided by 2. 56 divided by 2 and then 28. Therefore, the median of a given dataset is 28. Happy learning. Thank you so much for your time. So next part of center tendency is mode. It's last part of center tendency. So how to calculate mode, how to calculate a from a data set and what is mode. So mode is represent the frequently occurring value in a data set. So sometimes you have multiple mode and sometimes you don't have mode. In case of multiple mode, so there will be exactly same number of occurring of multiple values will be 2 that will count 5 and 3 count 5. And in case of no mode, it means that the dataset contain all over even count, means same number of count. So for this we have dataset 5, 4, 2, 3, so on and so forth. We want to find out the mode. So how to find out? So if we look into the table, we have the dataset of mode. So we want to find out the mode, the most exactly increasing number of the mode, and also we can say mode is most common repetitive values in the set. So in our case, 5 is the mode that is occurred 3 times in a dataset. So thank you so much. Happy learning.